Android with Kotlin. So using these software, if you have a knowledge of biotechnology and food technology, you can work with us. We can give you a training over software. Let's talk about CS and IT. Raise your hand please. Computer science? Raise your hand. CS and IT. Polytechnic, Diploma and BTech. Fine. See, again I'm going to repeat. No constraints. Any department can switch in any sector. Is that clear everyone? Right? Yes or no? Yes. See, why we have conducted this pre-placement talk. See, I don't want any confusion when you guys are going to join this company. I don't know what is the figure today, which I'm going to share with your training placement head. But I don't want any confusion. This is the reason I have conducted this pre-placement talk. So, CS and IT, we are working on latest frameworks. Without framework, technologies are zero. So we are working on Hibernate, Sprints, Wicket, Struts, iBackers. We are working on React.js, Node.js. We are working on Laravel 5.4, 5.7. We are working on Kotlin, that is a part of Android. We are working on Django framework. So now, without framework, technologies are zero. So what kind of product we are developing in market? ERPs, Android application software, system software, dynamic websites, using latest frameworks, right? So the post for CS and IT is Junior Software Developer. Let's talk about agriculture, experimentation, and mechanical. Agriculture, mechanical is here. Anyone from mechanical? See, we have been outsourced by few motor spare parts company. For example, AE Industry. So we don't have a production department mechanical. Let me clear this thing. Whatever role in this company is purely over designing. So you have to design all kind of motor spare parts like 2-stroke, 4-stroke engine, chassis, gear, bearing, everything. Using 2D, 3D software like CATIA, NSYS, 3D Max, a lot of designing tool like AutoCAD. Let's talk about civil student. Raise your hand please. Civil. Lot of students. Again, you don't have to work on concrete level. Again, we have been outsourced by DLF, Amrapali Group, Ansel Group and many more group, where you have to visit site, analyze site, and you have to prepare a blueprints for the client. I mean, again, using 2D, 3D software like AutoCAD and many more. So the role for mechanical and civil is AutoCAD designer. The role of CS and IT is Junior Software Developer. Is that clear, everyone? Yes. Software development, we have a little bit programming knowledge, but we have core area for you. Electronics, electrical. Last almost 10 years, we are in PCB design. We have been outsourced by a lot of electronic appliances company, and recently we have signed MOU with UP government to prepare smart language, C language, and obviously Android application. So with a combination of machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, you have to run a program over chips, so that you can control that chips with your Android phones. So the post for electronics, electrical is Junior Automation Engineer. Is that clear? Clear? Yes or no? Yes, chemical is not here. I'm not going to discuss it. These are the technology where we are working on. Today, what we are expecting, your basics. We are not going to fire question from advanced technology, but what we are expecting, that is basics. That is important. So overall, what kind of project we are giving in market? App-based, IoT-based, embedded-based, motor spare parts, architecture design, chip-level programming, and software development. Let's talk about two non-technical departments. Anyone interested for non-technical area, you can go ahead. Next. Yes. You have to face 3 official rounds today. After this session, you have to go for offline test, which is based on aptitude and reasoning. Second is your group discussion. Why GD is important? Because a lot of time you have, when you are going to join this company, starting 15 days is your observation round, which is important. Which is important. If somebody is irregular, if somebody is not going to give the prompt response, company will 15,000 during your training period. And from 4th month, it is 4 lakh divided by 12. Let's talk about BTech student. Raise your hand please. 4-year program. The package for you is 6.5 lakh and starting 3 months it is 20,000 start. Anyone is postgraduate here? No. First year, no salary breakdown. After 1 year of service, company is going to give you financial bond and all. Whatever figure I'm going to take from your college today, no financial bond. We have 2 hiring process. One is on campus and second is whenever we have openings, that is off campus time. But whatever selection we are going to give today, no financial bond at all. But if anybody leaving this company before 6 months, company is not going to give any kind of experience letter. Is that clear? Next please. If anybody want to apply directly later on, that considering in the off-campus channel where you have to face a bond of 15,000 of 1 year, which is refundable after 1 year. Is that clear? But in case of off-campus, not today. Next please. Let's talk about your documentation part, which is very important. When you are going to join this company, you have to face a documentation part 1 month before. 1 month before, company is going to share the link. Virtually, you can upload your all the documents. Is that clear? Document your Aadhaar, PAN, character certificate, which is important. As well, your all semester mark sheet. If somebody is going like failure to submit your document, company will not give you a joining. The official date is joining is 18 July next year for you guys. But if somebody is failure due to some reason, I don't know, whatever is the reason, if you are not able to submit your document on